If you want to see the results after me organising my very messy art drawer, then carry on watching. Hey guys, welcome back to a new video. Today I'm going to be organising my very messy art drawer, so let's get started. First, let's have a look at the mess I'm dealing with. Oof. So I'm going to start off by making tidy boxes to put my supplies in, and I'm just making these out of tissue boxes. So I cut off the top of the tissue box, and since you're not really going to see the sides of it when it's in the drawer, I decided that there's no point of decorating the sides, but I still wanted to make it look pretty, so I just put coloured paper on the edges. And I made 2 of them. One thing you need to know is that I'm a huge hoarder. I will hoard anything and everything. I literally will keep the teeny weeniest bits of paper. It's kind of like a big habit I have. I'm not sure if it's good or bad, because it's good that I'm not wasting materials, but it's bad because it can build up and make a big mess, which is why I'm cleaning it out today. I don't know why, but I also hate using up all my supplies, so all the things I hoard I end up not using anyway, which is kind of bad, so I need to work on that. Anyways, I've never even started talking about what I'm doing here. Okay, so I made an extra tidy box from a cereal box, and I feel like I've said box too many times in this sentence. I'm just seeing the best way all the keyboard cardboard things fit in the drawer. Now that I've done that, I'm just putting things in like card, coloured paper, magnet paper, and all that stuff that won't fit in any of the other boxes. And there I said it again, boxes. Well, wait, let me tell you a story. So once I was going through all the junk that I collected, and I mean a lot of junk, it's 1,000 times the amount of junk you'll see in this video, and I realized that I had a lot. Now it's time to see all this scrap paper I keep. Are you ready? This isn't for the faint-hearted. Okay, getting smaller. Yep, it gets this small. And even, hey, what are you doing here? Okay, I don't keep paper that small, but I keep them all. The wrinkly, the holy, lots of holies. If you recognise where these come from, tell me in the comments for a shout out. Anyways, I'm just putting all this scrap stuff in the tidy box that I made. These are some mini books that I made. Yep, I made one to keep all the emergency numbers just in case of an emergency. I don't know why I did that. It made sense at the time, but now I don't know. And don't ask what that is, because I don't know. I made that months ago. I think I was trying to make these mini book keyring things.
Well, I guess you'll be all alone in the scrap pile, just by yourself.
Except you're not by yourself, because you're with scrap. Moving on. I'm just putting a lot more crappy stuff in the tidy box. And let's speed up this process. Oh, I remember that sticker. I got it 1 year ago, but I still haven't used it because, like I said, I have problems with using up all my supplies.
I mean, I want to use them, but I don't want to see them go away and go to waste, but they're not going to waste because I'm using them to make something else.
Do you see my problem? So now I'm putting, you know, like ribbon and stuff made from fabric in there. Let me try and remember where I got them all from. So the blue one was from this parcel that came with clothes. The white one was from cake decor. And I don't know where the maroon one was from. My mom gave it to me. But like, that was years ago and I still haven't used it. Anyways, I'm putting the air dry clay in. And I'm putting in some wrapping paper that I used to wrap a present, but when they opened it, they didn't rip the wrapping paper, so I got it back. Hashtag order. Shredded paper. More scraps. Toilet/kitchen rolls used to be my absolute favorite thing to collect. Like, I would have millions of them. That black rubber band thing is from the ear loop of a mask. I usually turn these into rubber bands, but I wanted to make something different with this one. This was from the video where I made earrings. Yeah, the video I made like 1 month ago. Oh yeah, and this broken belt was from when I made DIY headbands. I used to be like obsessed with making them. And the thing is magnet paper. Basically I got this from like a kitchen timetable thing and ripped off the timetable thing, and I was left with this thing which is actually magnet paper, but I just wanted to say thing. Why have I got an IKEA book? Who knows, but it was probably to make like a magazine collage thing. I feel like I'm repeating words a lot in this video. I don't know why I had a glue stick, but I wanted to open it to see if it was dry, and it was really hard to open it. And then when I finally opened it, I thought that green ring around it was mold at first, but it was actually just the packaging. So I tried to close the drawer, but like there's this foam thing in the way, so I had to move that out of the way. And when I tried opening it again, there's now like a cardboard box in the way, so I had to move that. And I didn't see a way it could fit in 3D, so I had to flatten the box, which I didn't want to do, but I guess if I wanted to use it as a box, I'll just glue the sides up together. So finally it closed. But I tried opening it again just to make sure, and now there was paper in the way. Like if I play it in slow motion, then you can see like the paper hits up against the top of the drawer, and that could stop me when I'm trying to open it. By the way, I'm being really careful with like this because I've had bad experiences before with this drawer easily getting trapped, so like seriously though, it's like it's trying to annoy me on purpose, and I'm so annoyed I went out of frame. Joking, I only went out of frame because like I did, lol. I thought it would be better to rip the like foam thing to make it flat so it would fit in better. And then I tested it like 1,000,001 times just to make sure it was all good. So this is the before and this is the after. Well guys, that's it for this.
Wow, I can 90 voiceovers.
Anyway, if you enjoyed this video and you want to see more, then make sure to check out the videos on the screen. If you got this far into the video, then make sure to comment why have you got a dragon in your room, to confuse those people who maybe didn't make it this far. Anyway guys, thank you so much for watching and I'll see you all next time. Bye!